Hello friends and welcome to the Gemhawks Jewellery channel here on YouTube. We are unboxing, so very quick little video for you today. This is the most recent Relax and Craft subscription box for August 2025. Let's see what's in the box. The Enchanted Woodland Resin Earring Kit. So let's slide off that belly band and let's see what's in this beautiful box. Okay, so relax and craft and create and bloom, bringing together the best of everything. From Fleur, we have tea and bickies as always. And of course, you get your statutory 3 gifting bags. Let's see what's in here too. We've got some beautiful gemstone chips. Looks like there might be a little bit of tourmaline, maybe some peridot. Looks quite exciting. We've got a 2-part resin kit. So there are full tutorials supported on the Relax and Craft website, which I haven't had a look at yet. And because this is an earring kit, loads of earring findings. Let's have a look and see what's in the Enchanted Woodland tin. I'm a sucker for a tin that I can keep and use again. So many beautiful things. Dried pressed flowers, moss, lichens. So pretty. So we've got a real Enchanted Woodland in there. We've got some chain. Excellent. Oh, I don't even know what that is. Let's have a gander. I've ripped it now. Mica powders. We've got Secret Gold, Spice and Twilight. They sound fabulous. Nitrile gloves, stirring stick, little cocktail stick, mixing pots and what looks like a buffing pad. In addition to that, you have got this very reusable silicone tray. If you like a big earring like I do, there's a tray here for you. If you like dinky ones, also for charms, there's a tray for you. And you've got everything in between. Very high flex, absolutely cracking. I can't wait to delve in and check out the Create and Bloom Relax and Craft box for August 2025.